Dax79 here with a parcel to open. Let's see what we got. Right, yeah, if you're new to this channel, this is me opening up stuff from Amazon. I have ordered it all, but I just don't know what's coming. Ooh, light be live. I love lights. I'm trying to kit out my whole house with voice activation lights. So let's see what I've got here. Right, so it's going to dance with music, demo microphone. So it's a standard set that it can move with sound. It's kind of what seems to be quite the norm actually with these. Let's see what's so good about this one. What have we got in here? Right, got a large remote control. Give ourselves a plug. Got 2 sets of lights and a device. And there's the infrared for that. So this one, let's have a look. Connect power to the controller. Connect controller to the light strip. Here's all the instructions. Here's the app. First things first, I don't think we need instructions for this. Actually we do. I need the company name for the actual app. Best thing to do, if you're putting your smart home together, you'll realise that all these different items have got their own app. So your phone or your tablet starts to get all these apps, starts getting loads, and you don't know what's what. Because you can't remember which strip's which. Best thing to do is, once you set it up with the app, go into your Alexa, we won't say it too loud. Go into Alexa Amazon. Once you go into there, go to Skills and Games setting. And in there, follow any instructions for the company that made these. Once you locate the skills and game settings for the new item you've bought, you then set it up through Alexa. Therefore, when you go into their app, you have everything in one location, rather than having an app for each thing. It starts to get very messy. I've noticed that. It's getting really messy, to be quite honest. Right. There you go. On, off. Red, green, blue, pink. Excellent. Got flash in. Jump. It's all the usual stuff. But this one's got, like, this is what it's for really, is to, when there's music playing, or my voice in this case, it will jump around and change. Or you just have it on, yeah, like this one here, it's fading in between each one, but also moving to my voice. Loads of different settings for you to play with. And I'm pretty sure something in there is just what you need. That's why you're looking at this product. It hasn't got a USB on it, so it's not really plugging into your back of your telly for it to come on with your TV and stuff. It's one's for something separate. I might start putting some lights behind me actually in here to put a bit of a nice feel to my room. So I think that's what I'll do with this one. I'll put this at the back of the room somewhere. It'd be nice. But let's find out about the app. So what we're going to do is we're going to try out this app. So first things first, if you've got a new one, the updated Android phones, all you've got to do is go put your camera on, go over it, the icon, and we'll go off to it and see what this app is. So I haven't got this one already, so I'm hoping when they go to it, it says already installed, therefore it's one less app I need for a set of lights. But once I've set this up on here, I'll then set it up in Alexa. So install. I didn't check out its rating. 3.4, not fantastic. No data is shared with any third parties, which is good. No data is collected, which is good. Let's go to open. Please read the policy. Well, I've read it, let's say, but it's usually the same thing. Here's the interesting one. It wants to know about connecting to your app. You've kind of got to say, yeah. Alright, so there we go. Oh, it's already, that's it set up. Music, allow. Mic, testing. So it can see, it's getting a reply back, so it knows. Okay, cool. Just, the question is, how does it know how to connect? We need to connect them to each other, don't we? auto connect. Is it? It can't have already worked out we're here. Green? Is that green? Well, that is interesting. So they... How's that connected to that already so quickly? I haven't done anything. Okay then, well, let's find out. That was far too easy, let's just say that. Let's see about setting this up in... Let me just put that app in my smart home folder. I'm keeping everything in one place. Right, let's just try this. So I'm gonna go to, type in the app's name. All right, the app, it hasn't come up straight away, which is a shame. This sucks a little bit. Okay, so I can't connect it to the smart home by the looks of it. In fact, there's no... Yeah, there's no Wi-Fi to it, so that we can't connect to the network. It's all infrared. But how did it connect? How did this connect to this so quickly? Anyway. I think for this one, I'm just going to have to stick a smart home plug on it. But you can get the app, and it was very quick. So we'll give them a rating. I'm going to give them, I would give them a 5 out of 5 if there was a skills and games setting in the Amazon app. Now, if there is one, it doesn't come up easily, so therefore you've instantly lost the start. Because a lot of these things now is becoming a sort of a standard. Standard is, you get this, you can connect them to your smart home and go from there. Then start building up your smart home. So in this case, that doesn't work. So these can be plugged in on their own and operated on their own, but they can't really go onto the network, or from what I can tell already. This is just from a quick scan of this and a quick search on this. So as it's not as easy, should we say then, to set them up to Amazon, I'm going to give it a 4. Now, the reason why I'm not going any lower is because the second I downloaded the app, these worked off it. I still don't know how that is, because so it shows, I don't know how that's worked. I don't know how that app found these so quickly, because I've not, the phone's not using the infrared, so it's on the network. This is on the Wi-Fi, and so these must have jumped on the Wi-Fi somehow. So then it has got Wi-Fi built in, therefore it should be able to set up to the smart home. So it's all not very clear in here how that's happened. So I'm going to leave it as a 4-star because you download the app, you say yes, 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 and they work. You don't have to worry about anything. They would get a 5 if I could have just gone into my Amazon skills and games, typed it in, added it in, dropped them in a group called Studio. Jobs are good and dialed again on a 5 out of 5 for sure. Alright, well, Dax79, I'm going to set these up. Out.